In this video I will be showing you how to construct an angle similar to a given angle, but first we need to have the given angle. In order to construct an angle similar to a given angle, first we need to draw a line this way. We also need to cut arc this way using the radius of the previous arc. Also, we need to take radius this way and cut arc. Finally, we can complete the drawing. Your colleagues will appreciate you if you share this video with them. My WhatsApp number is displayed on the screen. You can always message me whenever you are having a question or an assignment, and immediately, I will send a video of the solution to you for free.